My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called available for trial. So this available for trial is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Well, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data too. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware called available for trial may be easily injected into the computer. And so very soon users realize that they cannot access their data because of this ransomware code available for trial. So if you have discovered this ransomware on your computer, make sure you don't tolerate it. This particular ransomware, of course, is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Very soon they see the results of the ransomware attack. And so these are the results. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this locked extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the entire network is encrypted, your business is losing money. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, to pay the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't ever pay that ransom. Don't waste the money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. By the way, to download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system. Click on this Start Scan button. So the program is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So after you click on Start Scan button, the scanning will begin. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the computer. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data. Premium license is required, but you can also always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And please find a special link in description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your data.